Ba-da-doom, ba-da-doom.
I like girls who like girls. Kissing on a friend off white girl. And she's 23 like Mike girl. I like girls who like girls. Yeah, I like girls who like girls.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? Alright, so thank y'all for coming back for another video. So today I got something crazy. I'm doing something completely different. Today I'm doing a DIY, bruh. I know, a DIY. So I basically got this idea from Instagram, and I was just on there, scrolling, and it was this post, and like them little videos, and then like saying shit, and then it's like a little meme or whatever. Anyway, it basically said, I wish I could have my room like this. And in the video, I'll try to add it if I can find it, but in the video, it was LED lights that were up around the edges of the room. So I immediately went to Amazon and looked up LED light strips, and this is what I found, right? I found these right here. Wait, let me make sure y'all can see that. Boom. Ooh. So basically, what they are, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory, the LED light strips. Yeah, so let me just go ahead and show y'all what it comes with and all that. So it comes with this card. It's basically for the app for you to actually control the lights, because on the app you'll be able to, as you can see this picture right here, you'll actually be able to control the lights, change whatever color you like to like them to change it to, put it in whatever mode, if you wanted to have it flashing, anything like that you can do. Also play music, and you know how you just make the lights jump and stuff. So it came with two of these, which is the LED light strips. Two of these. This is how they actually look. It's like this. Boom. This is actually the light part. This right here is the copper part, and basically what this means is you can actually cut it if you need to, just to adjust the size if it's too long or too short on the wall. If you need some extra slack or whatever, you're able to cut it and customize how you would like it on your wall. So then it also comes with a remote. I don't know how to use it, of course. The instructions, we don't need those. Then it comes these little pieces. I don't know what the fuck these shit's for, but yeah. So to plug it in, it comes with this this little white thing. I guess you'd call this shoot, I don't even know. But this is actually the strip, obviously, and it plugs in. And here, this is how the plug looks. Ooh, focus. Oh, focus. Oh. Boom. Boy, if you don't get, it's not gonna do it. Alright, but so then this plugs into this, which is the adapter, and yeah, that's how it works. So let's get to the installation. So I'm gonna tape it to the wall, and this is why you need an extension cord, because look at this. It's just dangling. Well, this is why I need an extension cord. You may not need an extension cord depending on how high your ceiling is. So this not even high enough for real. So I'm gonna have to make it higher. That's why I have the chair. So I'm gonna move this out the way. I have to take a shit. I already took one, but whatever.
What?
I already took a shit, but I have to take another one. Alright, I don't know how this nigga did this shit by himself. I'm pretty sure he has some fucking help, because ain't no fucking way.
I'm sure he did it by himself.
What you have to do is peel off this red, and it basically sticks on any surface. It said that it doesn't do too good on glass surfaces. It doesn't last long. So, well, I guess I should have pulled off right. I'm gonna peel it off. So anyway, oh this shit. Oh, okay, about to say. Ooh, okay, that's nice. All right, so I guess I'm gonna plug it in first. Alright, so put this in. Alright, and then I guess we should start right here. Oh, that shit started melting my lights, bro. Okay. Oh, this nigga lied. He said this shit was easy. So I was struggling, so I had to cut the camera off, but now I think I got it. Oh, I think that's went too fast. Oh wow, I dropped it. Alright. Boom. Boom. Is that even plastic? That'd be on the bologna and cheese? Oh my. And I think it's like, wax. That's what it feels like. Okay, so this is how much I have already up. Boom. All right. Pictures. Oh, this shit is tearing the paint. Damn. Alright, y'all, so I don't know if y'all seen that, but this shit will absolutely tear y'all paint off, so. So I just had a mental breakdown because this sets of lights weren't working, but these were working. And the reason why they weren't working because, well, Sunflower said batteries, so that's like positive, negative. Don't know what was what, but if you get it, just play around with it because that's what I did. So, because it for sure was not working just now. I was for sure I was so ready to just email Amazon and be like, yeah, go ahead and send me that return slip. These jumps is gonna be right up out of here. Well, alright, so we can continue the process. Right now it's orange, it's ugly ass color. They look nice, right? So basically it feels like putting plastic on the wall, honestly. Because it's just like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, you don't actually feel the lights, it's just like plastic and then it's sticky on the back. Oh, and it will tear your paint off because I had to readjust it over there. I think I already said it. I think I'm repeating myself. But I'm going to do it again. It will take your paint off. So, if you don't want your shit fucked up, let's not take it off over here. Fuck all the way up. Let me get close to the ceiling. Okay. So, if I wanted to buy more of these lights, like if it wasn't long enough, which my question would be at least like, this is like, I'm glad it sends you two. It sends you two already in the pack. Cause you for sure.
I was about to kill somebody.
Jason? Is that you, man?
Come on now, get your ass up there.
My fault, my nose is itching. I'm up here, shut up.
No, you're not.
You gonna help me?
You want me to get up there?
Alright. I'm just a little scared. Baby, jump up there and finish it. My cat finished it.
No.
Alright, and look at my lights, bruh. You cannot tell me these just not stupid, boy. Oh, these jumps are not stupid. Oh, look at the corners. Look. That shit hard. Oh. Alright, well, we're not gonna worry about them two little thingies. We're just gonna focus on the good stuff. You know what I'm saying? This one goes stupid, bruh. Wait, oh, go to the app. I mean, not the app, but so go around. So this is how the app looks. You can just go around the wheel like that, and it just changes colors like that. That's how she's changing the colors right now. Oh, that's stupid. All right, and right now it is currently nighttime, and this is how it looks in complete darkness. This junk goes stupid, boy. What? Look at this.
My shit lit, my shit lit, my shit lit, watch your bit, my shit lit, my shit. Oh, my shit lit, watch your bitch,